Hey gorgeous, this is Margot for Calixta, and today I will be sharing with you all a look with one brand using Pop Beauty. As you can see, all I have on right now is just foundation, some concealer under my eyes, on my cupid's bow, down my nose, on my T-zone, and on my chin. So let's get started. I'll start off using this setting powder by Pop Beauty, getting the translucent color, putting it on my T-zone. What's cool is that they have a guide for you as well. I also like putting a little translucent powder right under my nose. Next we'll come in with the peach for under your eyes and along your cupid's bow. And then we have one more color, the banana. And here it says to put it on your chin, under your eyebrow arcs, and right underneath your contour, the hollows of your cheek. So that was using Pop Beauty's Setting 101. Now we'll take the Contour 101 by Pop Beauty and see what this bad boy has to offer. And just like the Setting 101, it does come with a guide for you on where to use each of the colors. We have highlight, blush, and sculpt. So I like starting off with the sculpt in the hollows of my cheek. Now just dab a little and let it build up to whatever intensity you want your contour to be. And some under your jawline for a bit more dimension. I also like putting it on my hairline, my chinny chin chin. I like adding contour to my nose. Then we will get our blush brush and use the blush. Apples of your cheek. But for a more sun-kissed kind of look, you could spread it out more and even blend it kind of into your contour. Last but not least, a little highlight. Now it says tops of cheekbones, center of nose, and bow of lip. To add some more color, we have the Pow Wow powder. These are 4 blushers in one palette. Today I'll be using this peachy pink color. Then I'll come in with the same color. I'll come back in with Sculpt to give this some dimension. Now I'll also add Now for our lippies. First we have Satin Rose, which is a nice pink color. And today I'll be mixing it with Sienna Spice. Ooh, so gorgeous. And last but not least, we have Pop Beauty's Makeup Magnet Mist. I used it already the other night and my makeup was on until honestly the wee hours of the morning. Just give it a good shake and spray. There you have it, my makeup look using just Pop Beauty products. Let me know what you guys think about it or any suggestions on what colors to use using the products that I used during this tutorial. But for now, don't forget to subscribe to Calixta on YouTube, and of course follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Calixta Beauty.